Child labor during the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, transformed economies across Europe and North America. While it brought technological advancement and economic growth, it also led to significant social challenges, including the widespread exploitation of child labor. Imagine waking up before sunrise, trudging to a factory filled with choking smoke, and working 14-hour shift all at the age of 18. This was the harsh reality for thousands of children during the Industrial Revolution. By the mid-19th century, nearly 50% of factory workers in Britain were under the age of 16, trapped in a cycle of poverty and exploitation. The clanging of machines drowned out the laughter of childhood, as tiny hands fed looms and coal pits swallowed young lives. This was the Industrial Revolution, where progress came at the expense of innocence. Children should have pens in their hands, not tools. Yet during the Industrial Revolution, this simple truth was ignored in the favor of profit. The rise of child labor. With the advent of factories, children became an essential part of the workforce. Employers preferred hiring children because they were cheap, agile, and less likely to protest against harsh conditions. Boys and girls as young as 6 worked in the textile mills, coal mines, and factories. They often worked 12 to 16 hours a day under dangerous and unhealthy conditions. Exploitation and consequence. Child labor during this period was characterized by physical abuse, long hours, and minimal pay. The lack of education and constant toil robbed children of their childhood and future opportunities. As Charles Dickens once wrote, "No one is useless in this world who lighten the burden of another." But sadly, these children were burdened instead of helped. Reform and change. The abolition of child labor during the Industrial Revolution reminds us that change is possible when society unites against injustice. May it inspire us to protect every child's right to education and a childhood filled with dreams. Public outrage and social reforms like Lord Shaftesbury led to legislative changes. Laws such as the Factory Acts in the United Kingdom gradually limited the working hours of children and made education mandatory. These reforms reflect in the sentiment of reforms like John Stuart Mill, who believed the worth of a state in the long run is the worth of the individuals composing it. While the Industrial Revolution may seem like a distant past, its lessons resonate today. As we strive for progress, we must ensure that no child's future is sacrificed for economic gain. Conclusion. The Industrial Revolution transformed the world, but its legacy is tarnished by the small hands that powered its machines. Let us remember that true progress values humanity over profit. Child labor during the Industrial Revolution remains a stark reminder of the consequence of unchecked industrialization. It highlights the importance of balancing economic growth with human rights and welfare. As a society, the lesson from the period continues to drive efforts to protect vulnerable children from exploitation worldwide. The echoes of children's footsteps running through factories have faded, but their stories remain. It is our responsibility to ensure such injustice never repeats itself. If you found this discussion insightful and want to learn more about similar topics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps us to spread awareness and drive change. Thank you for watching.